Hi guys, I decided to pop into Five Below today. This store for me personally has either been a hit or a miss. There are certain things I did go into today's Five Below to find, and that is their version of the Sol de Janeiro spray, which let me just show you what I'm talking about. All right, lowered you guys a little bit to hopefully get some better lighting because of my hat, but this is what I'm talking about. So this is Sol de Janeiro. This has been my perfume for a few years now. It's just so good, I love it. It doesn't stay as long as I would like, but I still love this thing. And then I recently discovered that this is the dupe to that, and this is from Dollar Tree. So this is the Power Stick for Her Body Spray Brazilian Mist, and smells just different. Like the spray is different, I guess, if that makes sense, like the mist of it, but it smells the exact same. I saw a video where apparently Five Below has their version of this as well. I think it's called Solar Flare. I have not found that, but I did go into Five Below to try to find that. So anyways, instead, I walked out with all of this and then this bag too. So let me just show you guys what I decided to pick up. So I would say this was definitely a hit for me. Obviously I didn't find what I was looking for, but I was not expecting to go in there and find any of this stuff. So I've been very pleased. The first thing is this coloring book, which immediately I need to like do some research on this, but I know this artist. This is Creative Haven. So, but it doesn't say Creative Haven on it. Like, did they sell their images to this Dover Designs, or are they the original owners of this design? I'm pretty sure it's Creative Haven, and they sell these adult coloring books at Walmart. They sell them on Amazon. That's where I get most of mine. So I was so surprised to find this at Five Below and under a different name. I don't know what that's all about, but it's a super cute, yeah, see, it says Teresa Goodridge, and that she is the artist of Creative Haven. So I don't know, maybe she like sold her designs. Hope this is legal for her. Anyways, I just mean like, you know, people not taking her designs is what I mean. But it says her name right here in the front. So I don't know where my receipt is. Oh, here it is. This was $3. So that is actually not bad. Very competitive, if not cheaper than the ones at Walmart and Amazon. So, and if you look on the back, apparently they have more options, but I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even like attempt to find those. I just saw this on top and grabbed it. So I got that. Next up, I got this lymphatic drainage tool. Very interesting, because I've only ever seen this in the format of like, you know, for your face. I've never seen it for your body, which that's what caught my attention on this. Helps to reduce the appearance of cellulite, tone, and tighten. It reduces stress. It promotes blood circulations. It helps to drain toxins. Like that all sounds really good to me. I don't know how I would do something like that to myself on my back, but it does say that it's professional quality. Up, I found this mounted universal car mount. I bought like a car thing for my car. My vocabulary is just here. But I like that it sits upon the dash. This might help me better with hauls. And the size of it, if it works out, I could also take it with me when I travel, because I noticed, especially in Indiana, just depending on the rental car, it's hard to find like a setup to, you know, so my phone doesn't like flop over and stuff. So I'm hoping this is like a good one. I don't know, maybe one of y'all needs a car mount too, but yeah, it has a rubber grip, and that's what I like. I don't want anything that's gonna like, you know, ruin my car. I don't want there to like be a sticker adhesive or something and you know, like it does something funky. I think that was probably $5, but let's see what it says here. Oh, I don't know. Where's the, oh, $5.55. I thought the name of the store is Five Below because 55 is not below 5, it's above 5. I'm just reporting to you. Then I found these soda can pens and you just know immediately. As you can see, they have like a little sticker here, $3.25. And these are what the little like soda cans look like. And that just, yeah, that got me. It got me good. They are all black ink though. They are not colored ink. So I thought that was really cute. I've been creating a package to ship to Canada for my niece and nephew. If you saw in my last Dollar Tree haul, I found a cute little truck for cars for my nephew, but now I also need to get some stuff for my niece. So I found this little bag of like mystery squishmallows. I know I've seen these around everywhere. It's like a little mystery pack. I thought it'd be fun for her to like, you know, go through this and I don't know, play with it. I bet these were $5. Yeah, $5 for those. So I'm gonna put that. It's super light too. So, you know, it's gonna keep my cost down as well. Then I found these jumbo paper clips and there was no way I was gonna walk away from these. Let's see, $3.25 for these. I for sure was like, I'm gonna throw these in my craft room and they would be just so cute for junk journaling. So I got that. Then I got this little, these are spot patches, so like pimple patches, but they are in the shape of the little gummy bears. And I thought that was really adorable. I have to say that their prices on their face masks, I mean, when they're $1.25 at Dollar Tree, it's kind of like, you know, I don't know. I'm trying to find this on here. These were $1.25. So there's that. Then I found this eyelash curler, but this is heated. So this was $5 and it just like, I don't know, it just sparked my interest. I was like, you know what could it hurt to try this? If this was at Dollar Tree in the bonus section, I would probably have got it. So, you know, I just thought I'd give it a try. I feel like maybe the heat could definitely make my lashes lift. I remember back in the 90s, we would like take a lighter or a hair dryer to the curler and make it hot and then curl our lashes. I don't know if that's like still a thing people do. I have no clue. I imagine so, but like this is obviously a special tool for that. So I'm gonna give that a try. Then I found this, which I also thought, I mean, it's just like a cutesy haul today. I found all things super adorable from Five Below. This is a phone charm, so it goes on your cell phone. Let's see, where the $4 for this. They also had like a lemon, but it's also a screen cleaner. Like, look how cute that is. And you just feed like this little thing through, well, I don't know, my case covers mine, honestly, but anyways, so I thought that was really adorable. Then I found these crazy 8s and I was so excited. They had these kind of in the front of the store where it kind of looked like their like clearance section and stuff was just like thrown in it. So with Five Below, at least from my personal experience, they bring in new like stock. So it'll hang around for a while, for like a few months, but they always move in new stock. You don't usually see old things from like months and months and months before. Whereas you do see stuff like that at Dollar Tree. Like you can see something really old kind of like shoved under a pile of stuff, but you don't really see this going down at Five Below. And these crazy 8s are my favorite. They were $1 and they're just vibrant. They're vibrant, they're for junk journaling, and they are my absolute favorite. Yeah, something about them. So I was very excited when I saw them. Like, I snatched them up real quick. And this box looks like it's been through it. Like it's been tossed around. There could even be like a card missing in here for all I know. But I got those and they were $1. Then I got these little cloud stickies. Okay, these were $1. So they rang up $1. I thought those were really cute. Then I found this in the beauty section when I was looking for the Solar Flare. This is a cool serum stick. And this turned out to be $5. It says Glacier Water. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid and caffeine. And it's like an ice cooling face stick. I don't know, I really liked that. For the days where I don't want to wear makeup, but I do my skincare routine, this is something I could see myself like throwing in my purse, like when I'm running to Dollar Tree, and I can just like, I don't know if that's how I'm supposed to do it. I don't know when you're supposed to do it in your skincare routine. It just seems like something that you apply, almost like a lip balm. That's what I'm getting from it personally. I don't know if that's the case, but like that's what I'm getting, and I thought it was really cool. Obviously I have makeup on, so I can't like apply this, but that's what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna throw this in my purse, and it'll just be something, especially in these like upcoming summer months. I think I'm really gonna be pulling for this little product. I just thought it was definitely interesting and unique, and I hadn't seen anything like it. Then I found this LA Colors brow stamp kit. Now I've done brow stamp kits before, and I've gotten them from Amazon. I don't think I liked it that much, and I do get like henna dye, which I really like. And I got the men's beard kit from Dollar Tree to dye my eyebrows. I just haven't done it. And so for the days where I'm like, oh, I haven't dyed my eyebrows, because what ends up happening is this is what I've noticed. I go to take my makeup off, and then I start in on my skincare, and then I forget. And you can't do it after you've done your skincare. You want to do it when your face is totally clean, you have nothing on it. And so every time I forget to dye my eyebrows, because I just have no hair. Like, this is drawn in from the Dollar Tree eyebrow pencil. So I thought for the times that I keep forgetting, I might try the LA version of their brow stamp kit. Again, I did not like it from Amazon, the one that I got, so I'm gonna try this one and see what I think. All right, so there's that. Then, oh wait, how much was that? Let me tell you guys, give you all my prices. Oh, $5. And then I found this little Jolly Rancher drink mix, and he was $1.50. Now the thing about him is that I've never seen this green apple at Dollar Tree, and I usually get these from Dollar Tree. Let me show you the one that I do have. So this is the one that I got from Dollar Tree. It's obviously watermelon, and as soon as I saw this one at Five Below this morning, I knew immediately. I was like, I haven't seen that one. So this was a quarter more, $1.50 to $1.25, but I will take the drink packets out of there, and I'm just gonna use the box for junk journaling. All right, so there's that. Now moving on to these. This is not jelly. This is slime. Like, what? And I am 40 something years old. We'll just go with that number. And I like slime. Now, I like slime because it's a stress ball to me. I do not like the traditional stress balls. I don't like those texture. I don't like how firm they are. Nothing about that has ever been appealing, but I'm in my office a lot, and I do like get fidgety. So don't knock it till you try it. I mean, it's just fun to have, and it's like stress. It like reduces my stress, if that makes sense, to make the energy kind of leave my body through my hands, you know, with the fidgeting. So I have just been really into slime, watching slime videos, and I will say that I have found some really great slime at Five Below, so I thought these were really cute. These were probably $5 each if I had, yeah. They were $5 each, so I thought those were a great find, but that's not the only slime I got. Then I got these two. I'm also willing to bet that these are also $5 each. This one is cotton candy scented, and this one is blue raspberry scented. And the reason why I got these is because they look like a different, I don't know if you can see that slime. That one has like a jelly. Like, when you think of slime, you think of this consistency. But slime has kind of like come a long way. And they have made some really cool like textures and look, you even get, and also you can reactivate it too. So if you feel like you got some dried out slime, you can actually fix it, if that makes sense. So, oh yeah. It just looks like, I don't know, a cloud. I'm not gonna play with it right now, but, and it smells really good. That does smell like blueberry. Wow, that's crazy. I'm gonna smell the cotton candy one real quick. But, straight cotton candy. Do not eat slime because they smell so good and look so good. But anyways, all right, so that's it for the slime. And I'm gonna end this on a note that has left me shook because I had no idea Five Below was doing this. I didn't know that one, that they had massive bottles of perfume, and two, that they are literally formulated to be duplicates of higher end perfume. So for example, the Solar Flare, that's what kind of caught my attention. That's what brought me to the perfume section of Five Below. So these were both $5. And like I said, I did not find Solar Flare, but I found these. This is called So Very Sexy, and it is our impressions of Victoria's Secret Sexy. Now, I actually have this perfume. It's one of my favorites from Victoria's Secret. And when I smelled this, the sample in the store, I was just blown away. I was blown away. I mean, look how pretty she is. Huh? And of course you guys can't smell through the screen, but when I tell you this is right there on the money, like, right there. Just, yeah, I would say that that is an accurate impression of Sexy by Victoria's Secret. And then this one caught my attention. Now this one, I can't tell you guys whether or not I think it smells like the real thing because I've never smelled the real thing. The only reason why I grabbed it was because of the packaging and that it's called Mysterious Beach. So this is supposed to be their impressions of, wait, I thought it said it was supposed to be like their impression of Britney Spears's perfume. Where did I see that? It doesn't say it on here, but I think it might be the dupe to Britney Spears's Fantasy. I don't know if I'm right, but I thought I saw that. But like, can we talk about this packaging? It's gorgeous anyways. So let's just open it up. Yeah, this looks like Britney Spears' Fantasy. Like, I've seen what her perfume looks like. So, but again, I've never smelt it, so I don't know. But let's just see what. Oh, damn. I don't like it. I mean, I could tell why people would love this, but there's some type of note in there. I don't know if it's cucumber. It smells like cucumber to me, and I do not like cucumbers. I'm not saying that it does smell like cucumber. I can't quite put my hand on it. Oh, that's so sad. I was really hoping I was gonna like get a perfume and discover like a scent or something that I really would like. But if you love Britney Spears Fantasy, you might wanna pop into Five Below, give this a spray and see if you think it matches. If you do, I mean, this is just $5. So, I mean, I can tell you from Victoria's Secret alone, they nailed it. So, and there's other perfumes, and they also have it for men as well. So there's that. And that's it. That is my Five Below haul for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.